Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor on Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro isn't recognizing your fingerprint properly. So let's try to set up a new fingerprint for your device. In order to do so, you have to open Settings on your tablet and then scroll down to Security and Privacy section on the sidebar, then scroll down to Screen Lock and Biometrics, enter the password, then select Fingerprints, and if you have previously installed Fingerprints, then of course select each one of them and remove them, so we're not gonna need them anymore. Now tap Add Fingerprints. Before you add a fingerprint, make sure to wipe the surface of your screen with a dry towel, especially in the place where the fingerprint sensor is located, which is right here, by the way, and just make sure that it's clean and smooth and it can read your fingerprints clearly. Okay, and also remove remove the protective case from your tablet because it's gonna interfere with your fingerprint. And now let's try to add a new fingerprint to our device. So let's go back to this menu, fingerprints, and now tap continue, and then as the instruction says, you have to place your finger right here and try to move it as the percentage goes up. Yeah, just try to use as much as your as much of your fingerprint as it is possible, and now get a full scan of your fingerprint. So use it from different size. Okay, and once the fingerprint is added, you should also check for software updates. Since the previous fingerprints didn't work, then you should check for software updates to make sure that your device is fully up to date. You can find software update menu on the sidebar. Just click download and install. Make sure that you have an internet connection before you do so. And as you can see, the software is up to date. So right now just restart the tablet by holding down the power button and the volume down key at the same time. Then select restart, confirm, and wait until your device is restarted. This way we will know that the change is applied, and then we'll check how the fingerprint works. Now swipe to unlock your tablet. Provide your password once. It's a security measure. And now let's try to check our fingerprint. So let's try to unlock the tablet with the fingerprint. Okay, it worked for the first time. Now I encounter some issues, but it seems that I used the wrong part of my fingerprint, and it's so as you can see, it works smoothly for the most part. And I hope that it does even better for you. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.